is on the hand to welcome the Boeing 787 Dreamliner ZA003 on a Dream Tour demonstration aircraft, making Bangkok the first pit stop in Southeast Asia. The Boeing is looking forward to showcasing the game-changing technologies in the Asia-Pacific region. The company, along with universities from around the world, has embarked on numerous studies to understand the effects of altitude, humidity, air contaminants, lighting, sound and space on passengers. In addition, Boeing has studied how these factors play together to develop combinations to create the best overall experience. Findings have helped lead to significant improvements on the 787. Modern systems architecture is at the heart of the 787's design. It is simpler than today's airplanes and offers increased functionality and efficiency.
These larger dimmable windows, so you'll notice that there's no shade. This helps in operating cost, and also they're much larger than any other airplane today. If you want to take a look at how they work, it takes a full minute to dim and then a full 2 minutes to go back to light. What the window is doing is it's reacting to an electric charge. So there's no mechanics in this whatsoever. They're predicted to last up to 20 years, this one does.
The key to the exceptional performance of the 787 Dreamliner is a suite of new technologies developed and applied on the airplane, including in creating better environmental performance for commercial jetliners.
Here is LED lighting, and it goes from sunrise to sunset, and what that does is it resets your circadian rhythm. So instead of being woken up abruptly by that light switch when you turn on when you land, it actually simulates a full sunrise to sunset, making you feel arrived refreshed and ready to do whatever you need, whether it's travel or leisure.
The manufacture processes produce less scrap material and waste. Carbon fiber composite materials, which are trimmed like cloth, make up 50% of the primary structure of the 787, including the fuselage and wing. Therefore, this allows the 787 to be recycled when it is eventually retired in 30 to 40 years.
One of the major new technologies that we've incorporated is the use of advanced carbon fiber composites. About half of the airplane is constructed with carbon fiber material rather than aluminum on traditional airplanes. This panel is representative of the fuselage skin on the airplane, and one thing you'll notice is that we have integral stiffeners that are cured together with the skin in one piece, and what that allows us to do is eliminate fasteners that are on aluminum airplanes. It reduces the weight, it reduces the maintenance. Carbon fiber material is about 20% lighter than the aluminum that we've replaced it with, so it's a big part of making a more efficient airplane. It also requires less maintenance, fewer inspections, longer inspection intervals. So that's a big key to the 787.
Carbon dioxide is produced as a result of fuel consumption. This means that with reduced fuel use comes an equivalent reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. Another key emission standard for commercial jetliners is nitrogen oxides. Specific regulations have already been set for future airplanes using a complex formula that is based on the thrust ratings of an airplane's engines.
Some of the technologies that aren't as obvious include the use of more electric systems on the airplane. So many of the hydraulics and the pumps and even the environmental control system are powered by electricity rather than by bleed air off the engine. And in doing that, we put less offload. We offload less energy from the engine to run those systems, more to power the airplane, which again reduces fuel burn. It's more efficient and more reliable for our customers.
With its record on continuously reducing fuel use and thus reducing emissions, Boeing has also worked on reducing the noise it created during takeoffs and landings. New engines from General Electric and Rolls-Royce are used on the 787. Advances in engine technology are the biggest contributor to overall fuel efficiency improvements. The new engines represent nearly a two-generation jump in technology for the middle of the market. For the better environmental performance, New engines increase use of lightweight composite materials, more efficient systems applications, and modern aerodynamics each contribute to the 787's overall performance. The mission capability of the 787 Dreamliner also provides an environmental advantage, allowing airlines to offer more direct flights connecting mid-sized cities. The mid-size 787 can operate quite efficiently between such cities, eliminating the need for additional takeoffs and landings. The 787 is designed to transport passengers and cargo from their city of origin to their final destinations in the most environmentally efficient manner. The combination of its historic commitment in improving the environmental performance of its airplanes and a specific life cycle approach to designing its newest airplane that has allowed Boeing to create a super efficient commercial jet transport, the 787, in part because of its improved environmental performance, is the most successful launch of a new airplane in commercial aviation history. Airlines of the world are choosing to purchase the 787 because they share in Boeing's commitment to the environment. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner provides more comfort for the passengers, it is more productive for the airlines, and most importantly, it is efficient for everyone. Anushika Tempothong, reporting for ASEAN TV.